ladies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick get ready with me. So I'm starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and then just priming my eyes with it, then blending it out with the Real Techniques little sponge, and after that I'm gonna be setting my eyes with my Coty Airspun translucent powder. So for eyes, I'm using my Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using Eden as my transition shade. Now for my crease, I'm using the color Saturn, and I'm using an e.l.f. crease brush. Now I'm going to be using a fluffy brush and make sure that I blend out all the edges so that it's not as harsh. And because I like my colors to be a little bit more intense, I'm just going to be adding a bit more of that Saturn color on both my eyes and then blending it away with the same fluffy brush. So what I'm trying to say is just add and blend as many times as you want, because it's whatever you want. Now, using my favorite palette in the world, which is my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm using Love Letter and placing that in the crease as well. I wanted a little bit more of a pinky shade as well, not just like a orangey shade, so I just put that in there. I'm gonna be honest with you ladies, I really didn't know what I was gonna do, so I was just like putting colors on my eyes and hoping that it came out good. So yeah, now I'm just gonna be blending those two colors together so that there are no harsh lines, and yeah. So basically all I'm doing now is just adding and blending till I have the right shade that I want and the right intensity, so yeah. Okay, now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm gonna be doing like a cut crease, well, a half cut crease or whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, I'm just cutting the crease with the concealer. Okay, so now I'm taking red ochre and then putting that everywhere I applied concealer. I don't know why I did that, but I don't know, I just did it. I'm just blending out the edges in here. Now I'm using my Sephora Pro palette and I'm using that copper shade and then placing that all over my eyelids wherever I place that red ochre shade. Honestly, I just felt like this look needed a little something extra, so that's why I popped that color on the lid and I really liked how it came out. So yeah, now I'm just gonna be blending out the edges. And now I'm just placing a little bit of Love Letter and then putting that on the outer V for like a little bit more of that pinky shade. and just blending it out. And now for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Cosmetics liquid lipstick in LAX and using that as an eyeliner. I wanted a different color for this look, so I opted for a liquid lipstick. And here's like a little tip. You could just use whatever color liquid lipstick that you have and use that as an eyeliner. That's what I do sometimes whenever I want to like spice things up. Okay, now onto the face. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer to prime my face. And I'm doing a little bit of color correcting, so I'm using this LA Girls Cosmetics like orange corrector and placing that under my eyes and blending it away with a little Real Techniques sponge. And for foundation, I'm using my favorite combo, which is the Too Faced Born This Way in warm beige and the Maybelline Fit Me in golden beige. And I'm going to be placing that all over the face and blending it out with a beauty blender. And for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and placing that anywhere I want to conceal and highlight. So on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid's bow. Also, I started doing this thing where I just put it underneath my cheekbones so that it could highlight that place as well. I'm just blending it away with my Real Techniques little sponge, and I really like this sponge. It's really cool. And to contour, I'm using my BH Studio Pro Contour Kit, and I'm using like the bottom left shade, and I'm placing that on my cheekbones, on the sides of my forehead, and on my jawline, also my nose, so that it could like slim it down a little bit, you know, because I got a big nose, so yeah. And I'm gonna be blending it all the way with my beauty blender. Now to set all of this in place, I'm using my Coty Airspun Translucent Powder and placing that anywhere I put concealer. So yeah, just look at me doing it. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And to bronze my face, I'm using my Wet n Wild Contour Palette in Dulce de Leche and placing that anywhere I want to warm up. And now to contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm placing that anywhere I want to, you know, chisel out. So my nose, my cheekbones, and now I'm blending everything out with my Real Techniques buffing brush. For blush, I'm using my BH Cosmetics 10 Nude Color Blush Palette, and I'm placing that on the apples of my cheek. And blending all of that away. Well, not away, but just blending all of that in. And for highlight, I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow and placing that anywhere I want to highlight. Now to set the face, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime and setting my face. And then for lips, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics lip liner in Natural and just outlining my lips and filling them in a little bit. And for my lip color, I'm using ColourPop Cosmetics in Beeper and just filling my lips in with that. And because I was feeling a little lazy that day, I decided to just wear lashes because in the night I don't have to worry about like scrubbing real hard to get the mascara off. Just take those out and wash your face. And now I'm placing a little bit of highlight on the inner corner and then running a little bit of whatever product you have left over from one of your brushes underneath the waterline, and that's it. This is the final look, ladies. I really hope you girls enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and see you in my next video.